Today we're installing the FitCamX dash cam in my 2025 Honda Civic Type R. So in the box you get the camera housing, the dash cam module, the power cable that plugs into the mirror harness, a little trim tool, and a SD card reader. So the first thing we need to do is pop this OEM cover around the mirror off. It pulls apart straight from the bottom. You just need to hook your way up and out. Just be gentle with it so you don't break the clips inside. I've already loosened it up because it was a sort of a pain to pull out with trying not to scratch it. That was my main focus. It's probably easier to just pop off, but I didn't want to scratch any of these parts because they are kind of a thin plastic, and if you know, the interior of these Civics do scratch pretty easily. So I just wanted to make sure I was really careful with that part, and I've already got them separated. So as you see, now I'll be able to just pull this apart after they were unclipped. As you can see, the clips here and here, it just goes in like this here around that mirror housing, as you can see. So that's the part that was right here that we just essentially just pop off. So now we're going to want to take this section off. Just use your trim tool and just stick your piece in here to pull it down. And as you see, you can kind of get your finger in there. I like to give it a little twist here to pop that clip out. And then you'll just do the same thing for the other side. Just give it a little twist to pop out. Once you do that, just pull this part right on out. These clips are the ones that are right here that you just got to give a little force to pull out. This does already have a little scratch on that, but not too bad. That's what I mean by these plastic pieces scratching very easily. So we'll just set that down. Then after you do that, you're going to want to take this whole piece off here. There's no screws or anything that need to come out. This part, you're going to have to give it a little tough pull. It doesn't come out as easily as the other interior parts. So just pull down. You're not going to break anything, but it may feel uncomfortable pulling it down because you have to use such force. Just pull it down and it pops right off. And you see, you'll be able to take that completely out. And these connectors inside, you're going to want to disconnect this white piece here. See, that just comes right on out. And then that's where we're going to use this piece that came with the dash cam. We're going to put that piece right inside here and connect it back inside. So all you're going to do is clip this right on in. See here? And clip this right where this came out of. Nothing different, very easy. There we go. And then this is going to connect into the camera. Going to connect into the camera. So this is the part of the camera that has, the camera enclosure that has the camera. And that is just going to go right here. So all you're going to want to do is get this wire to go through where the lights came out. So you just string it through there like so. And then we're going to connect these two together. So you see, and it just goes right in. Easy, simple. Very simple install. So just grab your cords, put them in here nicely, and then we're going to put these clips right back where they came from, these holes. I just want to pull this in good. Make everything nice and neat, just like that. All right. See that? The foam. So just punch it right back in there. Very simple. All right, so that's in. Nice. So then after that, you're just going to want to put this part back in. So these tabs you see right here, these tabs are just going to slide into these little hooks down here. Just, oops, we want to make sure we have this cord around because it's going to go right there. So just like that. So you want to make sure that these clips go back in the same spot. Then here you're just going to push up, snap right in place. Then take your camera, and this is just going to snap right back on the base of this part here, but not all the way because you're going to use this on the other side. This clip is going to clip the same way like I showed you on the original piece. Those clips in there are just going to snap together so it holds together, okay? So the same thing. Just take it and snap it right on. See that? As you see, it's not moving. It's on there perfectly. So as you can see, this is what this side looks like. The lights are blinking, just shows that everything's connected, it's ready to pair. It's underneath. So this is what it looks like on the other side. And on the outside, so now I'll show you what the app looks like and how the video looks. So once you get it all connected with your phone, you just connect into it, and then so now it's recording. So as you can see, that's what it looks like. It's clear, it's 4K. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe if you did. We are going to be posting more content for the 2025 Honda Civic Type R. I have quite a few mods coming up, so that's going to be a lot of fun. I'd like to have you guys along for the journey. Thanks.